Eto na, ginawa na nila ng TikTok ang Care About Her a Lot Exhibit 1. Ginawa na nila ng TikTok for today's video. Yan yung sinasabi ko. Sabi ko talaga lalabas at lalabas talaga for today's video. So I won't take any longer. Let's all watch this. Let's all watch this. Ito muna. Ito muna. Puta ka! Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo for today's video. David, sa national TV ka talaga nagchika. My God, alam mo, late ko na talaga na-realize din. Sabi ko, ay, oo nga, no. Akala ko kasi Dear, hindi lang yung basta-basta na statement ang binitawan ni David. Mabigat yun, dear. Mabigat yun. Kung, eto ha, alam ko din naman totoo yun. Pero kung hindi yun totoo, dear, babalikan at babalikan talaga siya, dear, ng mga tao. Totoo lang. Ang bigat nun. Kung ako nga, nabibigatan ako sa katawan ko. Hindi ganon. Pumapayat na tayo. Sige, gaslight mo sarili mo kay AJ. Hindi, I mean, what I'm trying to say is, kung ako nga, ingat na ingat ako sa mga sasabihin ko dito kasi alam ko talaga na babalikan ako ng mga tao for today's video. Kaya dapat hindi talaga yung tipong too much information. Kasi kung umiba talaga sa eksena mo ang sasabihin mo, babalikan at forever na talagang andyan. Pero dear, ang kay David, dear, mabigat yun. Promise, late ko na talaga na-realize na mabigat. Kagabi lang na nag-usap kami ng friend ko. Di mo kaya. Oh, prioritize her safety, di ba? Yan ang sinasabi ko for today's video. Ulitin natin to. I just care about her a lot. Di mo kaya. I care for her.
Can we qualify that? I just really care about her a lot.
Yung tawa niya talaga, no? Ay, ito.
David Licauco, masarap akong magmahal
Ay, dahil?
Bibigay kong lahat.
Ay, ibibigay ko ang lahat. Ay, taray. 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 Galing mo talaga. Mag-pity mo man talaga. Ganun talaga sa'yo yan, David. Sa'yo yan. Pag mamayari mo yan. Why? Hindi ganun. Walang ganun, ah. Hoy, walang ganun, ah. Eme-eme ko lang. Ay! Hoy! Ayan na lang. Ang sarap naman pala talaga mag-kiss. Oh, I love the edits. I love the edits. Isa. Oh my God. Alam mo, ang lala ng AI. Promise. Go! Kiss! Go! Go niya! Diyos ko! Hala, ang lagkit ng kiss, ang lagkit talaga, be. Be, parang vacuum pala, no? Ayun, no? Hinigog! Hindi ganun for today's video. Ang lala ninyo. Ba't naman hinigop, Ginoo? Ayan na, may AI generated yun for today's video. Baka naman yung mga patola baby natin dyan, ang mga mahihina ang nilalang. Itatag tayo as kung ano-ano ha. May disclaimer yan. Huwag kayong ano. Anyways, wait lang. May si-search ako dito sa YouTube. Gusto ko siyang panoorin. Anyways. Asa na yun? Meron pa dito. Marami pa dito. Ay! Ano to? Ay, birthday party ng anak nila. Si David. Tingnan mo yung itsura ni David. Tingnan mo yung itsura ni David. Ay.
Let's quickly talk about cyber libel in the Philippines.
Ayan.
It's super simple with no cap. So,
With no cap.
imagine you grab some juicy group chats
Yan.
and blast
True.
them online to humiliate someone or some people. That's a crime, bestie. In the PH, cyber libel is when you share stuff, like group convos or private chats, to drag someone's name through the mud. The punishment? You could get locked up for 4 to 8 years or
Yan. Panoorin natin yan para mahimasmasan yung mga fake news peddler.
Barda FC GDM drama.
Ay, ano yung FCG?
Leaked screenshots from the fan club's direct messages.
Ay, bakit may mga ganito? Nakakatakot naman to.
Hi Barda fan.
Ay!
It's Scarlett O'Hara 04 on
Ngayon ko lang to nakita.
Another spiel-worthy analysis
Ay, ito si Scarlett.
It's
Ito yung ano niya, body language.
back with another squeal-worthy announcement.
Yan. Go, Scarlett.
If you watched my last vid where I broke down their PMPC awards night,
Yes! Napanood ko yung Scarlett.
the one where they were serving looks and chemistry for days. Today, we're diving into this adorable group pic from their McDonald's.
Yes.
shoot.
Go!
Let me tell
Feeling
you,
ko psycho
the
si
vibes are
Scarlett.
immaculate.
No?
In this pic, David just got back from his long vacation in Australia,
Oo.
so you know Barbie was probably extra clingy.
Yes.
we're here for
Oh my
it.
God, ang ganda mo
Let's
talaga,
break down
Scarlett.
your body
Oh my God, Scarlett, pwede mo mag-enroll si Scarlett?
And
Kasi
even
ako
the
nag-analyze din ako,
McDonald's
pero hindi ganito
TV's reactions
ka-detailed.
around them. Grab your fries, besties, because we're about to get into it.
Go, besties. Kung
So
gusto mo
first,
yan, go.
Let's set the scene. This pic was taken on the set of their McDonald's TVC.
Uh-huh.
Yep, the one where they're probably being all cute while eating McSaver meals with extra rice. The crew around them is giving major "we're having fun" energy,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm obsessed with how chill everyone looks. You've got the crew member teasing them, others posing with peace signs, and there's even a guy in the back with a cap who looks like he's ready to hype them up. Now, let's zoom in on Barbie,
Mm.
because Girly is not playing when it comes to showing how much she missed David.
Uh-huh.
Look at how she's positioning her body. Like, she's literally turned toward him, her whole torso facing his direction. In body language psychology, this is a huge sign of closeness and comfort. When you're subconsciously angling your body towards someone, it means you're drawn to them, like they're your safe space. And Barbie's doing exactly that. Her arm is wrapped around David's waist and she's holding him so close, like she's saying, "You're not going anywhere, mister." After David's long vacation in Australia, I bet she was counting the days to have him back. And this clinging
I love it! I love the analysis,
all
ah!
the feels.
Okay.
Also her smile, it's beaming. She looks so genuinely happy. Like she's in her
Yeah. Actually, yan talaga yung mukha ni David na parang alam mo yung sobrang sapi niya. Yung tipong hindi na lumalabas yung ipin niya. Yung pinipigilan niya yung saya niya. Sobrang saya niya para hindi mahalata. Ganon, para walang
I
mali
missed
siya.
you and I'm
Ganun.
not letting
Ay.
go.
Talaga ba?
It's too cute. I can't. And then we have David,
Mm.
looking all cool and casual in his blue shirt. But don't let that fool you. He's just as into this moment as Barbie is. His body is slightly turned toward her too, which is another sign of connection. In psychology, when two people mirror each other's body language, it means they're in sync. And Barda is so in sync here. His arm is around her shoulders,
Okay, so
and
insane.
the way he's holding her is so protective, like he's saying, "I got you, babe."
I got you. I love
After
it.
being away in Australia,
got
you can
you.
tell he's soaking in
I
this
got you,
moment with
babe.
her. His smile is more subtle, but it's so genuine, like he's low-key trying to play it cool, but his eyes are giving, "I'm so happy to be back with my girl" energy.
Oh.
David, we see you, and we're melting. Now, let's talk about the McDonald's TVC crew around them. Because they're totally vibing with Barda's chemistry.
Yes!
Look at the
Sa
guy
two.
on the right.
Alam mo, ang galing niya
Pointing
kasi kay...
teasingly at
Oh,
Barda.
oh, ay, ang galing! Ang galing mo,
thinking,
Scarlett!
These two are too cute.
Saan ka
I can't
nag-graduate?
The crew
Yes.
member in the back with the peace sign.
Energy!
He's giving I'm
Energy
here
si
for this
Akla.
love story energy, and I'm obsessed. Everyone around them looks so relaxed and happy, which tells me the set was probably full of good vibes that day.
Yeah.
When a couple like Barda is radiating this kind of closeness,
Radiating. I love
it's
it.
contagious. Everyone around them can feel it. I bet the crew was whispering to each other like, "Did you see how Barbie's clinging to David? They're so in love." I mean, who wouldn't be smiling
cute me.
watching these two?
I love her.
So, what's the final T on Barda's body language in this McDonald's TVC shoot picture? They're so close. Barbie's body turned toward David, her arm around him, and that glowing smile, it's all screaming, "I missed you so much."
Grabe.
David's protective arm
Grabe,
around her is
grabe,
subtle, but happy
grabe.
smile show he's just as smitten. The crew's reactions only make it better. They're loving the Barda magic just as much as we are.
Mm-hmm.
This pic is proof that Barda's connection is on another level.
Really?
I'm living for every second of it. What do you guys think?
I'm thinking of you,
Drop your thoughts in the
Scarlett.
comments and
Paano
let
siya si
me know if
Binibinong
you want me to
Anonymous?
analyze more
Lahat na lang
Barda moves.
Binibini Anonymous.
I'm always down. Love you, fam. Bye!
Bye! Anyways, there you go guys. Ito, inanalyze siya to, diba? There you go guys. Ito sa for today's video. Our Barda compilation. Of course, nanonood pa tayo. Hindi pa rin hindi. Isa lang. This is KJ Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!